All friends and family and everybody, this is just a small video. I just want to show you what we're going to be making this coming up week. So this is a big jar of peaches. See, big jar of peaches. So we're going to be using all this, and then we'll be making like blue jello, and with the peaches, very good stuff. We have this to make it. See, so we'll be making this coming up week, or sometime this coming up days. So this is very good stuff. See, very, very good stuff. I hope everybody's doing well, and to Emmy, I miss you very much. I hope you sleep well. I hope everything's okay. I'm always praying for you, always thinking of you, and I hope your kids are well. God bless all your family with a big heart. And to all my friends and Filipino friends and family, I hope you all are doing well. Have a safe Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your evening and day for some of you. Have a good afternoon. Morning was well. It's a beautiful day. I'll make a video of that later. Very, very nice out today. Very sunny. The last few days it's been cleaning house, helping mom and dad because mom and dad have not been feeling well lately. Mom's dealing with allergies, a cold a little bit, and dad's been dealing with a sore body, sore arms. Something's wrong with his skin. I'm not sure. He has like these open wounds. We're not sure what it's from. I forgot the name, what causes it. I forgot the name of it, but hopefully my mom and dad will feel much better soon. I hope so, because I've been worried the last few days. But that's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be using this, and we'll be using that for jello, and for peaches, and then put the pieces in the jello, and then yep, there we go. And then we're going to be using this one too. Here's another one, another jello. See, very good stuff. Yeah, very good stuff. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys. Yeah, we have brownies. We're gonna probably make these sometime, whenever. So we have these. Um, we have the. We have those. Um, we have those up there. See, other cooking items. See. We do a lot of baking when we can. I'll show you more of the baking. See, we have different jellos. See these. We have pudding. Very good stuff. See, and then we have this pudding. Very good stuff. Yeah, so we have different stuff to make desserts, or that, or this. See all the jello. Yeah, so we'll be making that with peaches, things like that, and yeah, see. Yeah, so we have different we have different stuff. So that's everything, guys. Like I said, very, very beautiful. I'll just show you for a little bit. See how beautiful it is? It's very, very nice. Clear skies today. I'll show you more over here. See? Very, very nice today. Very, very nice sky. At least it's clear skies. Yesterday wasn't. But at least it's clear today. So that's everything, guys. That's the peaches. That's that. And for dinner, we're having a Polish sausage. Here's the hot dog buns. And I'll show you the Polish sausage. Where are they? There it is. There's the Polish sausage. See? So that's dinner tonight. Polish sausage, hot dog buns, and we're gonna probably make something else with it. Yeah, I'll show you what we use for cooking wise for the like baking. See, that's everything we use in the baking. Everything's in here. See, so when we have to bake like desserts or things like that, this is what we use. There's plenty in here. See, there's like this good stuff, brownies. So everything in here, this is what we use, guys. Jello's up there, stuff for cookies, cakes, cupcakes, things like that. Yeah, so that's where we keep everything. That's where we keep everything for baking. And then what I showed you in there, there's more baking, and there's more stuff on the table, but it's all buried. I'm not gonna move things right now. But that's where this is where we keep everything for baking. For baking. And then for our tea and everything, this is where we keep our tea, our coffee maker. See, there's coffee for that. Here's my pumpkin spice coffee where I can make it. Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Um, Things like that. See, more coffee things. And here's all the good teas like ginger tea, lemon tea, things like that. See, Eber, this good tea. See, got these. Um, we got this, and we got this tea, green tea. See, we got green tea, ginger tea. Ginger tea. This is really good stuff. I love ginger tea. And we got this. We got this tea. Very good tea. And we got these with teas. So this is our tea, like coffee things like that. And then here's another Dunkin' Donuts coffee. See, pumpkin spice. Love this stuff. It's very good stuff. And then this is where we put our other coffees. These are really good, guys. These are really good. We love these. These things where we use our coffee thing. These are really good. These are really good. So I've been having these like in the mornings when I have breakfast, things like that. So this is what we usually have. See, got plenty here. So that's everything, guys. And then we have more of these for tea. See, we got more of these ginger tea, different teas. So we're all set in the morning if we want something warm or things like that. Take care, everyone. Have a great rest of your Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your beautiful day. For some of you, enjoy your evening and night. For some of you, yeah, the cats are just looking what I'm doing. Pepper and Bird. Yeah, so take care, everyone. Keep safe, keep positive, keep strong. Hopefully, everything's getting much better wherever everybody's at. To all my friends, Philippine friends, family, I hope things are getting much better for you. And have a great rest of your new week. Have a great Monday ahead. And to Emmy, Australia, I miss you very much. Always thinking of you with a big heart. Take care, everyone, and keep safe.